Today is the open day organized for the new students who has justly arrived in KFUPM, King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals. Alhamdulillah. It's a very fruitful gathering. So many people are out there enjoying the Assalamu alaikum. So yes, it's a very fruitful gathering with the students. It's building 11, the gymnasium building. Come with me further, I will show you the whole gymnasium. Here we have Assalamu alaikum. Samir, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Yes, alright. Alhamdulillah. Everything going okay? Inshallah. Speak here. আপনি কি পাত্রী দেখবেন নাকি? বলা তো যায় না। ইজিপ্টের আছে একজন, ইজিপ্টের একজন আছে। ইজিপ্ট থেকে লাভ নেই। একটু তাকান প্লিজ। সরি। So just full of energy. Moving at the corner. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my brother? So we can pay a visit up here. You can see see Philip is also playing with the students. It's a good It's the whole gymnasium. ইউএসএ যাবা তো আরো ভালো ভালো জিম পাবা সুন্দর So let's come to the food section. As we can see, the breakfast organized. So as we can see, the breakfast section they have organized. Dates. The buns. It's a sweet bun. So all those jobs for the international students. Tabarakallah.
Chili sauce. Do you get spicy sauce?
So as for my experience, I can say that it's a very good institutions, and the institution is trying their best to promote the coming of the new students, and they like to welcome the new students with a very warming surprise. As we can see, it's actually very rare to see this kind of warm greetings from this kind of institutions having a very good ranking in the world 160. So I think the overall conditions is very excellent in respect to the other university, as you can see in the graduate school like in US or in Canada. They just welcome the students but not like in such a very well manner. So alhamdulillah, the condition is very well good. Here you can see the female, all the students are male, and there are the rest of the section for the female students. So actually females are not coming here. They arranged some kind of other stuff for the female student as well. So yeah, as per respect to the Arab country, it's a very good place to be. So I would like to extend my cordial support to the organizing committee and to the senior staffs who plays a great role in organizing such a great event to welcome the new international students coming here.